Welcome to ECNTRADE daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, as it's Tuesday, the market is now waiting for the RBA rate announcement. After the previous month, we got a surprise rate hike of 25 base points to 3.85%. But the market census currently viewing the central bank will keep monetary policy unchanged. A surprise hike of 25 base point would see the market rise to 4.1% or 410. Therefore, the market may keep a very close watch to the statement to see what or how the central bank's hawkish or dovish bias is. No doubt there is many people calling for a rate hike, so a surprise could be or not be. So let's see what happens at 2:30 today. Viewing the technicals, the market is looking for a cap around 66.35 to 66.60, where the 60-day moving average is. A rejection from there would look back towards the bottom side of the range, somewhere around 64.45 to 85. The market was relatively quiet after Friday's sell-off for the euro. Nevertheless, the dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, was relatively flat as it trades around 103.90 to 104. In view of the current attempt to sell off, the market is appearing to be trying to recover as the price action edges over 107. Still keeping an eye on these technicals because I feel that the market could easily take another downwards challenge and therefore look towards the region of 106.50 to 105.85. With any advancements still finding possibly good supply around 107.35 to 80. Looking at the dollar yen, the market has found a little bit of weakness into Tuesday. Still, the technicals are holding relatively firm and therefore could see another upward challenge. And if so, looks towards the region of around 140 to 141, with the objective still remaining at 142. The pound was also a little bit volatile after briefly dipping. The market found momentum and recaptured the 124 handle. The technicals are mixed. Nevertheless, I still feel the bears are lurking, and that would mean that we could see a cap around 124.60 and see another down challenge to 123.70 with the base holding at 122.80. Also for a recovery, well, we're finding support above this level of 1,933 to around 38. And from there, we're finding the balls are eventually taking the challenge back to that top side. Still, from the engulfed candle, the market could actually still snap to the downside. And if we do see a break around 1,928, then that would give further indication to the bear case and reinstate the downside. And also with the weighted confirmation to the engulfing candle, that would be a break of 1,942 to give that move down. So overall, the bears are still holding to somewhat a negative potential that is for gold, and therefore I feel any gains to be limited. With the pullback filling the gap, the market is now pressuring the downside support, seen around 71.80. A close under there could give further scope back towards 69.5, but I feel from the technical point and also from these last couple of days of strength that we could see a revisit back to the top side of the range. Well, that's a wrap for the day. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, grab the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the great start ahead.